Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox my new phone, and it's none other than the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. I pre-ordered this phone on September 12th and finally received it yesterday. This is the most selling color right now and people are going crazy for this one. There are no stocks available, but I pre-ordered it and got this beautiful color, and I cannot wait to unbox this phone and see the cosmic orange color in person. So let's get started. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my new video. Alright, first things first, let's appreciate this packaging. Apple's going for that ultra minimalist vibe as always. You can see the sleek new iPhone 17 Pro Max imprint on the front. It definitely feels premium in the hand. The texture of the box itself feels a bit different this year, almost a soft touch finish. And there it is. Oh my goodness. This cosmic orange is just radiating. It's vibrant. It's not just orange, it looks like a metallic shimmer in the light. The biggest change we can see here instantly, that is the new camera module on the back. We will keep this phone here. Inside the box, we get braided USB C to C cable. I wish Apple gives colorful cables like MacBook that match the device's color. Then the SIM tray ejector tool. This time we are not getting the quick start guide. Instead, everything is written on this sticker. But I do miss Apple stickers. I have a few and now it has become a premium thing. Okay, now let's look at this beautiful phone. I think it's 233 grams, but it doesn't feel that heavy compared to iPhone 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max. It's manageable. Let's boot it up. There's that iconic Apple logo and hello in multiple languages. On the left side, we have action button, volume up and down button, and SIM tray slot. On the right side, we have power button and camera control. This is the first time I will be using the camera control button because I have 15 Pro Max and this button was added from iPhone 16 series. So I'm excited to try this one. Down at the bottom we have universal USB-C port and speaker grill. Let's talk about the body. Apple has gone with a new aluminum unibody design this year. And while it feels durable, it's mainly for better thermal management to handle the new A19 Pro Chip's performance. It also gives the phone a beautiful, clean two-tone look with the ceramic shield plate on the back. Then this is the new camera module. Apple calls it Camera Plateau. It spans the entire width of the phone. It's a huge shift from the square bump, providing more internal space for the larger battery. And I assume the new periscope lens system. The camera is now all 48 megapixel fusion system, main, ultrawide and telephoto, with 8x optical quality zoom. That's equivalent of a 200mm lens in your pocket, giving you a huge 16x total optical range from ultra-wide to super telephoto. This is good for sports, wildlife and portrait photography. The selfie camera is now 18 megapixel center stage system. This uses a square sensor that is intelligent enough to automatically pan and zoom to keep you perfectly centered during video calls and even smart group selfies. The display is 6.9-inch ProMotion XDR panel with 3000 nits of peak brightness and of course the dynamic island. It's also covered in the new Ceramic Shield 2 for 3x better scratch resistance. We have the brand new Apple A19 Pro Chip built on the latest 3nm process, specifically optimized for Apple Intelligence. The Pro models finally introduced a new vapor chamber cooling system. This means you can game longer, you can edit 4K ProRes video on the phone, and you won't suffer from thermal throttling. And if I talk about RAM and storage, then it's 12GB RAM and up to 2TB storage options. Well, this one is 512GB. And this time we have only 3 color options: Cosmic Orange, Silver and Deep Blue. With lots of accessories, new tech woven cases and crossbody strap. But I think I will go with the silicone phone case. So my initial impressions of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange are good. The color looks amazing. No matter whatever people say, this color looks so beautiful. I personally love it. The build quality is good and the initial feel of the software is very smooth. What do you think of this Cosmic Orange? I have planned so many videos for this phone. New camera system in detail, battery test, new iOS features and more. So make sure you're subscribed and don't miss any of that. If you enjoyed this unboxing, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you're always updated with the latest tech. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.